Embark on a sonic adventure as we unveil the secrets to unlocking the full potential of your AirPods. Picture this. You're immersed in your favorite beats, lost in the rhythm. But there's that lingering desire for more volume, a craving for a richer audio experience. Fear not, fellow audiophile, for we have the key to turning up the volume on your AirPods and elevating your auditory journey to new heights. In this guide, we present 8 exhilarating tips that will transform your AirPods into a powerhouse of sound, ensuring that every note, every beat, resonates with an intensity that goes beyond the ordinary. Get ready to make your AirPods louder and rediscover the thrill of music, podcasts, and more. Volume settings on iPhone/iPad. First and foremost, ensure that your iPhone or iPad is set to the maximum volume. You can adjust this by going to settings greater than sounds and haptics greater than volume and dragging the slider to the right. This simple step ensures that your AirPods receive the maximum signal from your device. Customize audio settings. Take advantage of the audio customization options on your Apple device. Navigate to settings greater than music greater than EQ and experiment with different presets to find one that suits your preferences. The late night EQ setting, for example, can enhance the overall volume. Clean your AirPods. Over time, dirt and debris can accumulate on your AirPods, affecting their overall performance. Clean the speaker grills and the ear tips regularly using a soft, lint-free cloth. This simple maintenance routine can help ensure that your AirPods deliver optimal sound quality. Check audio source quality. The quality of the audio source can significantly impact the perceived volume. Ensure that you're streaming or playing content in high-quality formats. For music streaming services, opt for higher bit rates whenever possible. Use a volume booster app. Explore third-party apps that are designed to boost the volume on your Apple device. Be cautious when choosing an app and read reviews to ensure it is reputable and won't compromise your device's security. Update firmware. Keep your AirPods firmware up to date by regularly checking for updates in the Settings app. Apple often releases firmware updates that include improvements to audio performance. Try different ear tips. The fit of your AirPods plays a crucial role in the sound quality. Experiment with different size ear tips to find the ones that create a tight seal in your ears. A proper seal not only enhances bass response but also helps in isolating external noise, allowing you to hear your audio more clearly at lower volumes. Enable sound check. Enable the sound check feature on your Apple device to ensure consistent audio levels across different tracks and albums. This feature can be found in settings greater than music. Conclusion. In the realm of audio indulgence, your AirPods are no longer bound by conventional limits. Armed with these 8 electrifying tips, you've unleashed the true potential of your earbuds, turning up the volume on your listening experience. As you revel in the amplified symphony of your favorite tunes or dive into the immersive world of podcasts, remember that you hold the keys to a louder, more vibrant sonic universe. So whether you're on a pulsating run creating a personal concert in your living room